Number 1. Your brain refuses to clock out. Here's the most unpleasant part. When your heart decides, okay, we're done, your brain doesn't shut down instantly. No, it lingers a little longer. It keeps working, keeps processing information. Scientists have found that your brain can continue to function for up to 30 seconds after your heart stops. This means that for a brief moment, you may be aware that you have just died. For example, you may literally hear people announcing your death. Imagine your mind throwing one last party before the lights go out. And yes, there are documented cases of people who were clinically dead during cardiopulmonary resuscitation, later reporting that they heard everything that was going on around them. So if you ever find yourself at someone's bedside in their final moments, it might be worth refraining from gossip and saying something nice. Because who knows, maybe they're silently evaluating your words from the other side. Number 2. Microscopic panic sets in within your body. The moment your heart stops beating, blood stops flowing. And when blood stops flowing, the tiny, obedient cells in your body lose their nanny. In a matter of seconds, oxygen levels drop, carbon dioxide accumulates, and the chemical balance in your tissues begins to break down. It's as if your cells suddenly realize that there are no adults left to look after them. Without oxygen, your body switches to anaerobic metabolism. Meanwhile, the bacteria that have been quietly living inside you, the ones that help digest food and usually mind their own business, suddenly think, party time. They begin to spread, breaking through barriers they were never supposed to cross. And here's the interesting part, they are still you. So yes, while your brain is still in a state of existential rave, your cells and bacteria are busy staging a rebellion in your honor. Number 3. You might get a surprise highlight reel. You've heard of the life flashing before your eyes cliché, right? Turns out there's some real science behind it, and it's weirder than you think. Researchers studying brain activity during the moments of death found that the areas responsible for memory and emotion light up like a Christmas tree. This means you could genuinely relive moments from your past in vivid, emotional detail. But here's the twist. It's not a neat, chronological movie. More like your brain just grabbed a handful of random Polaroids and threw them in your face. One second you're remembering your first day of school, the next you're reliving that embarrassing time you waved back at someone who wasn't actually waving at you. No quality control, just raw, chaotic memory dump. And this highlight reel might actually serve a purpose. Your brain is trying to find meaning, a final way to piece together your life story before the lights go out. Or maybe it's just your neurons gossiping with each other one last time.